Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Classes. In this video, we will learn about the relational database and the cloud database. Till now, we have discussed about the centralized database, distributed database, NoSQL database, and the operational database. Let's start with the relational database. That is the fifth type of database. The relational database will store the data in tables, and that will be arranged in rows and columns. So we have seen it is something that is different from NoSQL, because NoSQL can store the data in form of tables, as well as it can also store the unstructured data that cannot be stored in the relational database. So it will use the structured query language to operate different kind of operations on the database. It will use the SQL to perform different operations. The relational database will store the data in the form of tables and arranges the data in rows and columns, and it will use the SQL to perform different operations, and operations can be retrieval, insertion, deletion, and updation. These are the operations that we can perform on the relational database, and DBMS, database management system, is something that is related to the relational database. Now the last database, that is the cloud database. Let's see that. So it's a type of database that will store the data on a virtual platform and that executes over the cloud computing platform. So it will store the data in a virtual environment. So you all have heard about the cloud. So cloud, we can also use that to store the data. And cloud is something that is a virtual environment on which we can store the data. Now, data can be stored in the different types of cloud also. So the types of cloud is hybrid cloud, private cloud, and the public cloud. So we can also store the data in these different types of cloud. We can store the data in different types of clouds. That is hybrid, public, and the private. Now, based on the requirements, we can use the different types of cloud. If the data we want to share it with everyone, then we can use the public cloud. If the data can be used only for ourselves or themselves for any organization, then it will be stored in the private cloud. And if some part of the data we can share with the public, as well as some part of the data we have to make private, then we can use the hybrid cloud. Now, with the cloud platform, all the features, all the functions, all the benefits that is given by the cloud platform can also be accessed with the data. For example, if we are using some part of the storage to store the data, then we can only pay for the services that we are using. So we can pay for only the services or storage that we are using. And the user can access the data from anywhere from the cloud. It also provides the scalability and the availability. These are some of the benefits that comes with the cloud data. And cloud data can be AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud SQL, BigQuery, like that. That is all for the types of data. That is all for the types of database. And if you find this video helpful, then please do like and subscribe to my channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you. Now, from the next video, we will start the DBMS. What is DBMS? What are the advantages and disadvantages of using DBMS, characteristics of DBMS, and everything. Thank you.